Hi everyone, welcome to your dual credit lifetime fitness class. My name is Phyllis Tuttle and I will be your instructor for this early spring semester. I am looking forward to working with you, helping you get your credits for high school, and if you choose to register for it, your CWI credit as well. Now because excuse me, because this is a college credit class as well as a high school class, the expectations are higher than they would be if you were simply taking this for high school credit. And really, all that means is there's going to be some expectations set. I will always share with you what those are for each unit if there is something that goes above and beyond. The primary thing is that you need to work out 6 times per unit and record those workouts. I'm going to be giving you a lot of information about that. And here's a little preview of what you're going to be doing in Unit 1. You are going to have lessons that actually walk you through every aspect of that fitness log. That is really going to be an important document for you to complete and record your workouts in as you go all through the class. You will have this as an assignment in every single unit. You will need to record 6 workouts per unit. You'll need to have those workouts be between 45 minutes and 60 minutes long. And all of that information about how to complete that log, what needs to go in it, what your workout log needs to look like as you submit it, is all in Unit 1. So we're kind of doing housekeeping and introductory kinds of things in Unit 1 that are going to help you be more successful as you then navigate through the rest of the unit. So be watching for those things. Pay attention to all of the information and the requirements of your fitness log. As I said, it is a big part of this class and it's a 40-point assignment. So it will definitely impact your grade in either a good way if you complete it correctly, or it can have a negative impact if you are not doing your workouts or you log them incorrectly. I'm going to be providing you also with a lot of information and updates that will help you meet those requirements. So welcome to class. I'm so thankful to have you as students, and I look forward again to working with you. We're going to start this semester in the snow, but we're going to end it in the sunshine, and that is my favorite time of the year, is as it begins to get spring and summer. And that also gives you the opportunity for a lot of different variety of workouts as well. So again, I look forward to working with you and welcome to your class.